Hello everyone! Today, we will practice the word alert and build useful phrases together. Let's practice with me. Alert. Stay alert. Be alert. Alert the team. Please alert me. Alert the manager. Stay alert at work. Be alert during meetings. Alert your colleagues. Alert the security team. Always stay alert. Alert me if needed. Alert the office staff. Be alert for emails. Alert the client. Stay alert and focused. Alert the IT department. Please stay alert today. Alert the project leader. Be alert for updates. Alert the HR team. Stay alert during calls. Alert the finance team. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.